live here in Kenner. We are actually in a home here in Kenner, and not too long ago you heard from Kendall, who said, wow, what a difference 8 hours makes, that all of the water is really receding in Kenner. And yes, that is such good news and something that we've seen as well. But at the same time now, the people that are living here are having to deal with the aftermath of all of that water, some of it getting into their homes, including Sabrina, who has so kindly invited us into her home. You know that these are obviously vulnerable situations right now and frustrating, I know, too. So, Sabrina, I just kind of want you to walk Neil and I through right here and show us, if you can, Sabrina, and tell me, too, what we are stepping in now, what you guys dealt with overnight.
So last night, my two children and I were here. My husband's actually a first responder, so he's been working since Tuesday with all this. But we were here, and probably around 7 o'clock, the water started coming in the back door, and we did try to put towels in front of it and everything to try to. We did not think that it was going to surge in like it did, and it just ended up really surging in last night, and we were standing up to about in water. Yeah.
So right now, too, you are taking a live look at the water line where the water came up into your home. You can see that it is a couple of inches here along your wall.
Or where it was just sitting and it just sat.
And like you said, it came up to your cap, too.
Yeah.
So it was pretty high. You just opened the door and what water surged in.
And it just surged in on the kids and I. We actually ended up having to get out last night because we couldn't stay. It was, it's on the couches, it's everywhere.
I know, it's on the cabinets too, so we'll kind of walk here through your kitchen, and I don't mean to lead the way here. You can lead the way here, Sabrina, and just kind of show us too. I know that the water, the debris, of course, yeah, left behind there too. You can see the water line here. I know it soaked the cabinets in here, and then, yep, tell us what we're stepping in right here.
Standing in the water, it was actually, so not only was it coming through the doors, it was coming out of the pipes in the shower and the toilets. So,
and we're still standing in the remnants of it here. You can see it's lingering here in her kitchen, which is certainly something that you don't want to deal with. What was it like dealing with it last night?
It was actually pretty scary because usually, this is, for Ida, we did not stay. We did leave and go to Texas, but this one, we didn't think it was going to be as bad. But being here, I'm not going to do that again. I can promise you that.
And you mentioned Ida, which is so interesting because that is what we've heard from so many people across Kenner, even the police chief of Kenner. We know that you guys were hit so hard by that storm just over now a little more than 3 years ago now. What the chief was telling me, that was for Ida, for a lot of people, it was a roof event, a wind event where their roofs were impacted. I know you were impacted by water the same way for Ida, and then you were telling me you redid your whole home, so your home is brand new and now dealing with this soaking water again.
3 years later.
What did you do for your home right after Ida?
We actually had crews, since my husband is a first responder for Kenner, we had crews come in, thank goodness, from New York that were in the 9/11, and they came in and they actually helped us get everything out of the house.
Wow, wow. And you mentioned your husband is a first responder too. I know that he has been out since Tuesday,
Yeah.
You said, helping people if anyone was in a situation where they needed some help. I know we just watched those lights flicker. I know that was something you said, thank goodness that you haven't lost
Right.
power yet. But I know your husband, some other family members are first responders. Any message that you want to get across? Because I know they're working so tirelessly and continue to right now.
Bless you boys and women. Stay put where you are if you need to. They'll get to you eventually. They're trying their hardest and working nonstop. They haven't stopped since Tuesday. At least the ones in Kenner, they have been there since then. They haven't left.
They really have, and we've seen that in the firefighters, the police as well. Really quick, Sabrina, what do the next couple of hours and days for you look like as you try to clean up now from all the water? Again, this is just the remnants of it here. You can see it was several inches that surged into your home, but what do the next couple of days look like for you?
The next couple of days are just going to be evaluation and, take a tally of what we have and what we don't have, send it to the insurance company, and, start over.
Really cleaning up this again. You're looking here, you can see the water lines here, the debris lines of just how much water is soaking some people's homes like Sabrina here in Kenner. Guys, I'll send it back to you.